Hey guys, Flip In here in my Glendale Airbnb. So this unit has been crushing it even in the rougher part of town, and got hit with a little theft. The TV got ripped off the wall. They took the wires. They did mess up my couch a little bit. I'm gonna have my carpet cleaner come tomorrow and clean it, but 2 TVs are gone. It stinks like smoke in here, which is a violation. Bedroom's in good shape. They replaced the sheets. I have never seen these sheets in my life. These weren't sheets that we brought. And different pillows they put in here. Like I said, we had 3 different guests over the 3-month period. They threw all my bed sheets in here, which the house crew is going to clean tomorrow. I'm assuming they're pretty dirty. I mean, nothing's really broke. So like I said, sheets are off. This bed got moved. It's just dirty. It stinks like smoke. I have some air purifiers I'm bringing in. And again, what really bothers me the most is they violated by stealing. Took 2 TVs, big screen TVs off the wall, took the wires. Unbelievable that people would do that. The sheets on the king bed are in there, so we're gonna have those cleaned tomorrow. This I've never seen in my life, so this is some kind of a stand that they just brought. But other than that, we'll survive. Lesson learned. Got someone checking in here in 7 days, so I gotta get it back together, get it cleaned and fixed up, and we'll definitely stay with the platform. So if this does happen again, we are able to file a claim, because if you do Cash App like I did, unfortunately, can't really go after that person. So that's it. Hey guys, Flipman here. So standing in my Glendale Airbnb unit, and one of the major things that was a big no-no is the last guest smoked in here. So I walked in, the home just reeked and stressed me out, because that was the first sign that we had some issues. The second was 2 TVs were ripped off the wall, so they weren't very kind. But we have our ionic machines running. They've been running the past week now to get the smoke smell out. I have candles. I bought a ton of air fresheners. Had the couches both cleaned. They were filled with dirt and grime, and they look great. Little throw rugs, carpets in here. My carpet guy saved the day, he cleaned those. Plus the couches, like I said. So they're checking in tomorrow. I believe they're gonna love it, and they're staying 50 days, so we're excited. Brand new TV there. Had my handyman come in yesterday, put those back in. 2 new TVs. For some reason, they left a sheet that didn't belong to us, but it works. And then they took a bunch of our bed sheets and our pillows, which, I mean, is weird. So I had to buy new bed sheets, new pillows. Got those at Walmart, pretty good price. And our Costco, got them at Costco, the pillows at Walmart, I believe. This room, just, again, new sheets, new pillows, and it reeked like smoke. So we had the ionic machines in there, we had the candles blowing. The master sheets were gone, so we bought the new sheets. So again, it was the TVs they took and some bed sheets for whatever reason they wanted. Oh, and a trash can out of the kitchen. Weird stuff, but it happens. They left us a table here, and they also left us with this heavy duty safe. So we're gonna crack that bad boy open and see if we got anything, which I doubt, but we'll check it out. So that's the deal here at 47th in Glendale. And again, we have 10 ratings on this property, and it's all 5 stars, so we want to continue that. So I did my best this past week, took it off the market and just really worked it. Had a couple people help me with it, carpet cleaner and the handyman, to get the TVs going. And other than that, I'll keep you guys posted, but 50 days. And then after that, I got a family from Michigan coming for 3 months. They're already booked January through like end of March. So rock and roll season is here. Peace.